Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to show positive numbers with a plus sign in Google Sheets in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first thing we need to do is of course open the file or document that you wanted to insert the positive sign on the total of your sales or whatever you wanted. Okay, so after the file or document is open, we're ready to go. Okay, so here I have a sample. So for me, I have here a product, an expense, and of course the sales and the total. So in the total column, I wanted to see the positive signs here. Okay, so in order to do that, all you need to do is to highlight the whole column, or it's up to you. For me, I just wanted to highlight these numbers or these cells. And after that, go to the format and go to number and go to the bottom and choose the custom number format. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a lot of option here, but what we need is the positive sign, right? Okay, so what we need to do is just put a plus sign and then 0 and click apply, and you will see all the numbers had a positive sign before it. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from this quick tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Sheets. Thank you.